She's watching your stories, liking your old photos, asking mutual friends about you. But she's not reaching out. Why? Because she doesn't miss you. She misses the version of herself that had your attention. A high-value man doesn't chase closure. He creates space. He doesn't post thirst traps or passive-aggressive quotes. He disappears, but not in silence, in evolution. She left thinking you'd spiral. She wasn't ready for your glow-up. See, average men try to prove they've moved on, but high-value men, they don't perform, they transform. While she's scrolling through your socials, you're rebuilding your mind, reinforcing your boundaries. You're not crying in her DM. You're in the gym, in therapy, in business meetings. Because real power isn't in getting her back. It's in making peace with the loss and still becoming unrecognizable. Let her feel the distance. Let her question her decision. Let her scroll through memories while you build momentum. And when she finally texts, "Hey, stranger," you won't even flinch, not because you're bitter, but because you're better. She let go of a man still finding himself. You became the man no one forgets. This isn't revenge. This is rebirth. A high-value man doesn't obsess over what he lost. He builds what can never be taken again. Frame, focus, fire. She'll stalk your profile, but she won't recognize the man you've become. That's how you win. Silently, strategically, unapologetically.